Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you from start to finish on how I created a silicone face mask. Using the negative of my face cast, I am using platcil 10 silicone mixed with deadener and flesh tone colour. Making sure it's evenly all over the face and then pushing my face mask in, but not fully because you kind of want a little bit of thickness there. So silicone usually cures within about half an hour. This was my third attempt. So this is my third attempt and it's good enough. I have been practicing painting with silicone on the dodgy one that failed, but it's looking pretty cool. So I'm going to start painting this one once I've cut my other nose hole so I can breathe. Now mixing a little bit of silicone part A, part B of platcil gel 10 mixed with lighter fluid which is called chelate. I am mixing it to make a silicone paint. Afterwards, to get rid of the shine, I am using talcum powder. Now I'm getting ready to apply the prosthetic. Now I ended up cutting eye holes in because I figured I kind of want to see when I'm wearing it and see if it fits. Also applying Fix Blood by Crayolan. This stuff is amazing. It dries on and it looks so real. It's like scabby and gross. So now I am outlining the prosthetic to make sure it fits perfectly. Using Aqua paints by Crayolan, I start mapping out kind of where the muscle would be. Even though later on I cover it in blood, so it doesn't really matter what I'm doing right now. Now I am using Dermaflage Faster FX silicone. This stuff comes in tubes. It is amazing. You can apply it straight to the skin. I am in love with this stuff. Now using more Fix Blood by Crayolan, I am going around the edge of the silicone to make it look deeper and bloodier. Now making the blue veins 3D using the Fast FX silicone, which again doesn't matter because I'm about to cover myself in blood. There you go guys, my silicone face off. If you have any questions, just comment below and I promise to get right back to you. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and Snapchat, all at Sarah Mutal. You should see the mess of my desk right now. Blood everywhere. Mwah. What a mess. I am about to go and try and kiss my boyfriend. Mwah. Do you think you'll kiss me? Alright. Gonna go find him and kiss him. Kiss?
Go away, you look like fucking Leatherface.
Just kiss me. Ready? Do you love me?
Get out of here.